guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have another all about box. So I have done a couple of these unboxings. I will link those in the description box in case you want to check them out. This box is $39.99 a month plus $6 shipping, but I do have a 10% off coupon code for you. Okay, let's just open it up. This is a different size box than what I've gotten in the past. September is all about beads. Beads on their own can be very beautiful, made of many different materials such as wood, plastic, glass, metal, and stone. Designed in patterns, beadwork can turn any plain item into something quite stunning. We hope you love every item in this month's box. Enjoy. Oh, how interesting. Beads. I'm so curious. Okay, what is this? The club bag collection now supports almost 1,000 people from the poorest sections of India. Our hope is that we can continue to help break the cycle of poverty by providing work and hope to these artisans and their families. Oh, how interesting. Ooh, and this is a super fantastic bag. Look at that. The beadwork, huh? Do you see that? This is fantastic. Oh, I love it. Okay, so you've got like this pocket here, so you can wear it like this if you wanted to, and it's got a long string, or it's got the zipper on the side and you could use it like a little clutch too. How cute. Well, that's really neat and fun. I love that. Okay, let's see what else we have. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Oh, hello. Oh my gosh, this is glass. I thought this was plastic. This is glass. And look at that. Those aren't beads, but they kind of look like beads, right? What a fun wine glass. This is a pretty, oh, and there's something in it. A charm, a little wine charm. A very cool wine charm. Do you see this? That's really pretty. That's super fun. Oh, this is gonna be my new favorite wine glass, you guys. I love it. Spa Solutions Hot and Cold Dual Comfort Technology. Ah, okay, so this is a hot and cold eye mask. I actually have a pink one that's like this, and my daughter actually stole it from me. And they're really cool because you can warm them up if you want or cool them down depending on your needs. And this side is really like a soft fuzzy fabric so that it's nice and gentle on your eyes. This is wonderful. How fun. I love the different use of beads, like the little gel beads in here. This is fun, the beads on the wine charm and the okay, all right, okay, all right, so let's see, what is in here? Oh, baby. Do you see this? How fun is that? That is really cute. I love bangles like this, and this is a really cute one. Love this. I just love it. And then of course the gift bag. If you don't love something in your box, you can always gift something to somebody else that you think might enjoy it. Oh wow, there are 3 sets of earrings in here. Oh, geez. Wow, oh my goodness, look at these. Aren't those super duper cute? And these ones, I love them. Wow, these are so fun. Okay, so this box, I guess, so let's see, it says Bellaboo Studio hand beaded earrings and the gold earrings, but I'm not sure if everybody is getting 3 pairs of earrings because she left me a little note saying that there's an extra little gift for me in the white box. April, who curates the box, this is her thing, also has an Etsy shop called Bellaboo Studio, and in the last box I think there was a cute little clutch purse. It was like the fold over kind that I absolutely love, and she made that, and so I guess she also made these earrings, which are fantastic. I love these. Look at that fun beadwork. Okay, well, I will leave all of the information in the description box as well as past all about unboxings. This is such a fun, fabulous box and would make an amazing gift, what with the holidays coming up and everything. I always like to throw that out there. Hey, gift idea. But it would just be a really wonderful thing to get for yourself as well. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!